First thing you should know about a smoker is it comes in 3 sections, okay? The bottom section is here. This is where the charcoal lives. I've got unlit charcoal filling this ring about halfway up. Simply want to pour the lit charcoal over the unlit, and this will get things going slowly. Now the second section holds the water pan and the cooking racks. You just drop it right on top. You got an upper rack for the meat and a lower rack for the meat, and then the water pan is here. This is really important. This is what makes this a water smoker. We're going to fill the pan partially with water. The amount of water, again, depends upon the cook time. And the third piece is the lid. The vent is really important. This is actually how you're going to control the temperature. If I happen to want the temperature to go up, I open it, allowing more air in. And if I want the temperature to go down a little bit, I close it down a little bit. But don't close it all the way. You don't want to trap all the good smoke in there. So I've got one vent over here by my leg. I've got one vent over here, and there's actually one in the back. And these right now are open about 1/8 of the way, and that's just right. I'm going to leave them there probably for the entire cook time. Now you've got a door here, and this is going to give you access to the water pan and also to the charcoal. And that's also how we're going to add the wood smoke a little bit later.